Hi, my name is Arava and I'm a product manager for Palram. And in this video we are going to talk about the benefits of using Easy Glaze Profile. First of all, this product has a glass-like premium look. Easy Glaze comes in a range of colors, from clear with 90% light transmission, breeze with 70% light transmission, developed in a unique technology, reduces heat by 7 degrees, solar control with 20% light transmission for maximal shading. Easy Glaze is a 3 mm sheet, allows a very high load capacity, and is durable to weather damages. The Easy Glaze is very fast and easy to install. For more information, go to palram.com. In the next video, we're going to talk about tips for a fast and safe installation. Thank you for watching. See you next time.